In today's video, I'll show you a cool new method. Add your face on AI trending images. It's a super fun way to make your photos uniquely yours. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and type bing.com. After that, click on Image and then click on the Create button. If you don't have an account, sign up first. Now, we need some prompts to generate viral social media images. I am sharing two prompts, one for males and the second for females. Change your social media name, like WhatsApp, YouTube, etc. Then, add your name. After replacing these, copy the prompts and go back to the Bing image creator. Paste the prompt and click on the Create button. Wait for the rendering results. Now open these images and download the one you like. Copy the second prompt, paste it, and generate images for the female model. If you do not get good results, try generating images again from the Bing image creator. Ensure that your image has a clear character and a distinct face. Later, we will replace the face with our own. Okay. The first step is done. Let's move on to how to add your face. To add your face, visit remaker.ai and log in with your Gmail account. Scroll down and click on the Face Swap button. First, upload the social media images generated in the first step. Second, upload your target image. Then, simply click on the Swap button and witness the magic. Simply download this image. Here's the first result. Now repeat the same step and upload the female version of photos. As we conclude this face-swapping journey, remember to use this technology responsibly, respecting privacy and obtaining consent. Stay creative, stay ethical, and until next time, happy swapping!